If you're seeing the Steam is not launched error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens when Steam fails to fully start in the background, when a game can't detect the Steam client, or when a service or file inside Steam gets corrupted. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps, and subscribe for more quick PC and gaming tutorials. Now let's jump into the fix. First, let's close any hidden Steam background processes. Sometimes Steam crashes or closes improperly, but a process is still running in the background and blocking a new launch. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the processes list for anything called Steam, Steam Client, Bootstrapper, or Steam Web Helper. If you see any of those, right-click each one and choose End Task. This fully shuts down Steam's ghost processes and gives you a clean start. After that, open Steam again and try launching your game. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is running Steam as administrator. Sometimes the game has higher permissions than Steam, and that can prevent the two from communicating properly. To do this, close Steam completely, then find your Steam shortcut on the desktop or in your Start menu, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once Steam opens, go to your library and launch the game directly from there instead of using a separate shortcut. This small change often fixes permission-related launch issues. Now, let's move on to verifying the game files. A missing or corrupted file, especially something like steam_api.dll, can stop the game from sending the proper launch signal back to Steam. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click the game that shows the error and select Properties. From there, go to the Installed Files tab. You should see an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that and let Steam scan the game installation. This process checks for damaged or missing files and automatically replaces them when needed. Depending on the game, it may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before testing again. If that still doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to repair the Steam service. This service helps Steam communicate properly with games, and if it breaks or becomes unregistered, games may think Steam is not running even when it is. To repair it, first exit Steam, then press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type CMD, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter to open Command Prompt as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type this command exactly. C:\program files x86/steam/benya/steam service.exe/repair. After that, press enter and wait for the repair process to complete. Once it's done, restart your computer if needed, then open Steam and test the game again. Another very common cause is Steam beta participation. Beta builds are useful for testing new features, but they can also introduce bugs that interfere with normal game launches. To turn this off, open Steam and go to Settings. Then click the Interface tab and look for Client Beta Participation. Open the drop-down menu and change it to No Beta Chosen. Steam will restart and switch you back to the stable version. After it reloads, try launching the game again and see if the problem is gone. If you've gone through all of these steps, there's a very good chance the Steam is not launched, error will be fixed. The main thing is to work through the steps in order. Close background processes, run Steam as admin, verify game files, repair the Steam service, and disable beta participation if needed. One of those solutions usually resolves the issue quickly. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tech and gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.